Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. As always, it's a pleasure to have you guys. If you have not already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and also hit that bell button because I do post often and you do not want to miss out on all these beautiful wigs I'm showing y'all. So today I am going to be reviewing this headband wig from Cassaro Hair on Amazon. I will be linking all the information down in my description box, but this is a human hair wig. It is 18 inches and it's like an ombre effect. So it looks really realistic. I like how it has the black at the top and then it's going into the blonde. I want to try something a little different because I do have two other headband wigs that I am going to be reviewing. So I did want to try a color unit for you guys. They did send me this unit and I believe it is $100 on Amazon. I think that's pretty affordable. So I'm going to show you the inside of it. This is the inside. It has the combs all around and then it has the strap piece so you can strap it around your head. One thing it did not come with is like how other wigs are coming with the additional headband pieces. It did not come with that. But when you do purchase or check out, it does suggest some headbands that you can purchase with this. And I think it's a pack of maybe 12. I'm so sorry you guys, my little baby's in the background. She's literally getting around and getting into everything. So I'm gonna try to make this video as fast as I can and not keep you guys for long. But I'm gonna be showing you guys pretty much with the scarf that I have and how I will be wearing it realistically. So I'm just gonna put it on my head and you know, that's about it. I do have this cap on my head and that is just, you know, to protect my hair underneath. But I'm going to be looking off to the side because I do have my mirror right here. So I'm going to be looking off to the side and I'm going to just be applying this wig like so on here. And one thing I do love about these headband wigs, y'all, is basically you could just throw this on your head and walk out the house. Like, that's my kind of wig because I have to wake up early to do things, or even for working out, this is perfect. So this is how the wig looks on. And this is pretty much how I will wear it. I don't have any earrings on right now at the moment. But this is how I would choose to wear it. I'm not gonna really do anything like baby hairs or anything fancy like that. Because this is more realistic for me. Because most days I don't even have time to like even do all that. So this is how it looks on without any manipulation really. This is just how it looks. And then I'm gonna show you guys the back. And this is about how long it is in the back, if you guys can see. Alright, so you can do a few little styles with it. You can put it up in a bun at the top if you want. You can do something like that. Okay, you can do a lot of things with it if you want. I think it looks really cute how it's just like popping out of the scarf. So I do have a scarf here that I usually like to put on my head, and I'm just gonna play with it and put it on to see how I like it. So pretty much I have a wig scarf here that I usually wear all the time, and I would typically just put it on my head like so. I'm gonna tie it. And then I'm gonna fix it. Avery, come here. And that's pretty much how I would do that. I would just fix it. Fix that back there. Okay, you guys, so that was really pretty simple and easy. I'm just gonna insert some pictures here so you guys can see how it looks. I really can't spend a lot of time on the camera today because of this little munchkin. She is trying to eat everything she sees. So I'm just gonna take some pictures to show you guys a few different ways I will style it. I apologize, I can't really style it on camera. Next time I will try to stay on camera a little longer to do all of that. But pretty much you guys get the gist of this wig. I love it. I like this color. I think this color looks really beautiful on me. Yeah, and I think this is actually perfect for the fall. This is a cute color for the fall actually. So I think that's really, really cute. So I like how it looks. If you guys want different headbands, you can purchase them on Amazon. Like I said, it does not come with headbands or scarves. You could also do something else to it where I will put the headband back, but I will show you guys in the picture how I can also style this and put a little bun at the top. But yeah, I think you guys should just go check this company out. Check out this wig. I think it's really pretty and really simple. It's nothing too hard to it. I mean, it's $100 and that's pretty much it. I don't think it's that much tax on it. So I like how it's looking so far, and ideally I would wear this wig just like this. I would run out the house, drop my daughter off to practice or school or something like that, and here we go. And I'm just got my makeup done, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm feeling her. She is very soft, does not shed. She sheds a little bit. Sorry, she sheds a little bit, but it's not horrible shedding. Not even really a smell to it. I'm pretty sure you can probably straighten this hair. It is human hair, so you can straighten it, put curls in it. I might even do a thing where I blow it out just so that it looks even bigger, and I can put curls in it. You can straighten it, you can wet it. You know, you can do it up however you want, but I think there's a lot of potential with this hair. So I suggest that you guys go check them out, like I said, and very pretty. They do have other colors as well. I think they have a black one and they have this ombre color. But like I said, I chose to do an ombre because I do have other wigs that I'll be showing you guys. So this is the final look. And that's about it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I will be posting pictures or maybe little snippets of how it can look in different styles attached to this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for being part of my journey. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's always a pleasure. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Say bye. Bye. Okay, bye guys.